going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video. Man, it's gonna be a great video for you guys today, especially for you guys that's making big horsepower, big torque numbers, and I'm gonna tell you about it when we get to it right after this. What's going on, y'all? Hey man, I'm here to tell you about something you need. If you having issues with your clutch, if your clutch is slipping and you don't want to pay a lot of money for your clutch, you know, clutches can get very expensive. The Evolution clutch, $1,400. The Barnett clutch, all the different clutches you can get cost a great deal of money. But I'm telling you like this though, Harley Davidson make a great clutch. All you gotta do is do a few things to enhance it and make it a little better for you, so you won't be getting those, you know, your clutch won't be slipping and all that. I've been talking with Eric from Trask Performance, and this part right here is all you need, is the power plate right here from Trask. One thing I like about this, man, it come in 5 different colors. It come in this red, it come in black, it come in gold, it come in silver, and it come in a blue color. So, and you see this right here, it's got the 12-point titanium screws, and it has the clutch springs right here. So we're gonna change this out. It's gonna be very easy to change. Man, I'm telling you, this has been a proven fact as well from Trask, because they use it on their turbo bikes. And you know the turbo bikes are making up to 200 horse and 200 torque at the rear wheel, y'all. That's a lot of power. I'm not near that. I'm like 140 horse, 150 torque. So that's where I'm at, but we're gonna get this on. One thing I like about this too, if you watch one of my videos where I changed the derby cover, it's got the machine, a performance machine cover. You know, it's got the glass on it. Hey, if you just want to get this to enhance your look, you might have like the screws. You know, they have the red, the blue, the green, all the different colors you can put on here. I'm gonna do some on mine as well. But y'all, we're gonna get this on, man. Like I said, this is for the big people making great horsepower. And like I said, if you just want to do it to enhance your bike, to make it look good, and I'm gonna show you what to do. It's very easy, very simple to do. So let's get to it. All you need right now, I already took the derby cover off because I didn't want to go through that, showing you all that, is I got my 10mm to take this off here. All you got to do, y'all, make sure you don't undo one more than the other one. Make sure you do it, you know, make it even when you're taking it off. Do it a little bit right here, do a little bit right here. Don't just pop it off, take one off and pop it off. It's gonna probably make it hard for you to get off, and you don't want to mess up anything on your clutch, man. So yeah, but that's all that we are doing. And when you putting your plate on, make sure you do it the exact same way. Don't tighten one down tighter than the other one. Make it all even coming out. And make sure you put the, you know, do it evenly so that it will go down evenly, because these springs getting pressure on it. And make sure you torque it to 120 inch-pounds on here. This is my torque wrench right here. So we're gonna do these down evenly. And like I say, it's a proven fact. They have used this on turbo bikes where there's no slippage at all, y'all. Your clutch not slipping. So we're gonna torque it down at 120 inch-pounds, y'all. Oh, I like that. That sounds good. And this is actually my first torque wrench, y'all. So yeah. So yeah, that's it, man. We're gonna get the plate on here, and I'm gonna let you see how it looks with the plate on, with the derby cover. And make sure you put blue Loctite back on your screws here. And this is for you guys that don't want to spend the big money on the high dollar clutches. I'm gonna get this on, y'all, and we'll get back with you and we'll show you how it looks. Hey y'all, and make sure you tighten your derby cover down and the star pattern, okay? You don't want to over tighten your derby cover in one spot. I love the way that look, y'all. Look at that. And I usually just snug these. I don't over tighten them because you got blue lock tight on there, so it should hold up pretty well. And you don't want to strip that, y'all. I could use the torque wrench, but I'm so used to not having a torque wrench until I just snug it. And I done changed my oil, I don't know how many times. I haven't had an issue with it yet, so I just kind of keep that going. Yeah. All right, look at how that looks, y'all. That looks really good. Like I say, they come in different colors, man. They got the blue, black, silver, and gold in this red one here. So you can get that in 5 different colors, man. So yeah, man, I hope y'all like this installation. This is for the guy that's making that big horsepower and you don't want to go spend a whole lot of money on the big Evolution clutch and the Barnett clutches that cost you, may run you $1,500 or more. So, but they are about that price. But this can fix your issue right here with the Harley Davidson stock clutch. But man, that's going to be it for today, and we'll get with you on the next one. Until then, until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe and have a blessed one. It's hot here in Texas already. I love y'all. Peace. Have a blessed one.